Kidde Fire and Carbon Monoxide Safety Installation. Kidde's advanced fire safety technology in their residential and commercial smoke alarms and smoke and carbon monoxide combo alarms with lockbox can help your property put resident safety first and stay ahead of legislative requirements. Complete this challenge by gaining access to the residence using the Kidde Combination Key Box and installing the Kidde Smoke and Smoke and Carbon Monoxide combo alarms. Here's how to do it. Pick up the parts, go to the work area, and complete these steps in any order. Retrieve the key from the key box using combination 1, 2, 3, 4, and place the key and faceplate in the tote. Remove the old smoke alarm and install the sealed battery smoke alarm by attaching it to the ceiling plate. Press the test button once. The full alarm sounds after 10 seconds. Install the combo smoke and carbon monoxide alarm by attaching it to the wall plate. Get fired up for this challenge. You'll need skill and quickness, not smoke and mirrors. Show the sponsors your support. Go to hdsupply-solutions.com and search Maintenance Mania to buy Kidde Fire and Carbon Monoxide Safety products. Maintenance Mania is brought to you by the National Apartment Association, HD Supply, and these national sponsors.